So I have this unique door and hardware. We have this wiring tucked in here, and it goes through the door, the back of the frame, and we have this little device, which I forgot the name of it, but it seems like it cuts the wire little by little once you open and close the door. Is there any other option for this?
Repeated motion concentrates stress on unprotected conductors at the door-to-frame transition. Over time, abrasion and a tight bend can create an intermittent fault or a complete loss of power. An armored door loop creates a controlled, flexible pathway for low-voltage wiring. The Keedex K-DLA72 provides 72 inches of quarter-inch inside diameter flexible conduit in an aluminum powder-coated finish. On a custom door like this, the complete surface mount assembly may not fit the available pocket. The flexible conduit can be routed through the protected cavity, but the installer must preserve a smooth bend, keep it clear of pinch and shear points, and support the conductors at both ends. Before work begins, disconnect and verify power. Follow applicable electrical and access control requirements. Then cycle the door through its full swing several times, making sure the loop never pulls tight, kinks, or rubs against a sharp edge. The goal is not simply to hide the wire. It is to give the wire a repeatable, protected path that survives every opening cycle. For product details and application assistance, visit absupply.net.